excited about growing GoPro in India, because GoPro's mission is to help people capture and celebrate their lives in exciting ways. And India is such a passionate culture. It's so colorful, be it the weddings or the incredible landscapes, the people. And GoPro is, we believe, the perfect tool for Indians to capture their energy and their passion for life and to share it with others. Really, GoPro solves the problem of, you don't want to be standing on the side of the dance floor at a wedding filming other people celebrating. You want to be on the dance floor, being a part of the celebration, and using a GoPro to self-capture and share that experience. That's the problem that we solve, and we think that the vibrant Indian people and culture is going to be a beautiful place for GoPro, and we're really excited to grow our business there.